50 books on the flora and fauna of JNK. And he is one of the living encyclopedia of Dogri, Dogri culture and Dogri flora and fauna information, and he has very good knowledge of the plants, particularly medicinal plants, and how they can be utilized for the benefit of the humankind. सर ये हमारे सर बच्चे हैं सारे के सारे
किस किस डिपार्टमेंट के?
नेचर एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ क्लब है. दे आर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी.
अच्छा, स्टैटिस्टिक्स के कितने हैं? वो कौन से हैं?
मैं अकेला हूँ.
ओके. जियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट से है कोई?
नहीं, ये ज्योग्राफी से है, कॉमर्स से है.
जियोग्राफी के कितने हैं?
हिस्ट्री से है.
हिस्ट्री से? ओके.
कॉमर्स से भी है.
कॉमर्स.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजिक एंड रीजनल स्टडीज से भी है, रिसर्च से भी है.
वेरी गुड.
पंजाबी डिपार्टमेंट से भी है.
Since you are tired, you have clean hands, or can you eat something if I give you? Your hands are okay? So one of your volunteer will come here. You take this rusk wala, this no, this only this. You take, and this you can taste one petal each. There are so many. You give everybody. And then I will talk about this plant which you are tasting in the morning. If you can identify, let me know. रखिए अपने अपने जो guess names हैं. One is telling it is hibiscus. Other suggestion? It has no fragrance, no aroma, so need not to smell it. You can taste it. Taste it. They are clean properly. You can eat it and tell about taste also. And this is very useful during COVID crisis. It can help even stop the spread of COVID virus. Such an important plant. And this is a tree flower. Which flower? Can you tell? इसका हिंदी नाम, पहाड़ी नाम, कोई भी नाम. And this is anybody can, कोई गैस बना? हाइबिस्कस ही कह रहे हैं. So this is your first lesson to know the tree which is so famous, even the national flower of some nation, even the state tree of one of the state of India, and even one of the state had declared a state tree, state flower, state tree, and national flower. So how important it is, and you are unable to. If you happen to visit Dalhousie, if you visit Dera Ki Gali, Rajouri, or even Trikota Hills, Bhairo Ghati, है ना, or Duddu, Basantgarh, even Chinani, Sud Mahadev, you will find this very common, even Sukrala Devi ji. And there's a saying, local story regarding this particular flower. When Sita was abducted by Ravana, at that time even Rama started looking and asking these trees and vines, climbers, koi Sita ka pata? Any clue can you give? This story is very old, no doubt. It doesn't have the scientific basis, but still I will and this particular tree was in flowering at that time. When Rama approached this tree, at that time it was having very sweet fragrance also, maddening fragrance, बहुत अच्छी तरह से खुशबू थी. But it was in its own, you can say, the beauty and splendor. In arrogance, it replied. This is as per folk tale. This is as the story told by the local communities in Jammu hills. So it replied in arrogance. And it is said, Lord Rama cursed this tree. You lose your beauty. Beauty means the beautiful red color. And you lose your fragrance also. Essence also. Means you become odorless. And then tree realized, mistake. It might be some god. And I have really, he repented. And then asked to be excused. I am really sorry. I am humbled now. I should not have been arrogant with you. होगी गलती. So Lord Rama ने कर्स जो है कहा पूरी की पूरी वापस नहीं होगी. आधी कर्स I will take back एंड आदि आपके साथ रहेगी, सो दैट यू कैन remember your mistake throughout your life. So this is the tree which has no fragrance. You try to smell it and you couldn't have any fragrance or smell. And then you try to name also this plant, you couldn't. And there are so many smarter applications also, ID applications on this net these days. Flower checker is there, naturalist ID. So if you have the photograph, you can put it here also and they will let you know what is its name. This is the national flower of Nepal, and in Nepal this is called as Lal Gurans. In Uttarakhand and part of Himachal Pradesh is called Burans. But when we come to Jammu Hills, Bilawar and Ramnagar Hills, Dudu Basantgarh and Bilawar Mushedi Bani, it becomes Chew. And there is also a village, Chew, named after this particular flower or tree. And when you visit Dera Ki Gali in Rajouri, the name is changed and local people are familiar with this tree or flower with the name. You distribute it with everybody. Let everybody eat it. You can have a second round also, no problem. Finish it. So this particular, or some of you can show in your this a kind of anjuri. इसको ना हाथ में रखे हुए ना for just to have a photo. Some of these petals you put in your this two hands, or some of you who's free, so that will come in your this talk also. You just put this, okay. You can bring come closer. You can come closer. You come closer with these flowers so that I can have the look closer. Is show the. So thank you. So these are keep it be here. These petals are used as holy color. Kandi belt, the whole tropical belt, right from Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. We have another flower, Tesu. Tesu ka gulal, just we call Pala in Dogri. That is another flame of the forest, beauty of Manosperma, which is also associated with Battle of Plassey. प्लासी की लड़ाई कब लड़ी गई? 1757. कौन सा महीना? June. At that time it was in flower. Which tree? That you will see inside this Raika Park also. That is Palash or Dhak. After which you have the Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, because there were so many Dhak trees. Now they are felled and there is a city now. Palash rakha hai maine. So we have the counterpart in the hills or mountains where there is a snowfall area. You have this particular plant and these petals, they are called burans. But in Jammu region, I told, in Bilawar and Ramnagar called Chew. When you go to Rajouri Poonch area, it becomes Haddull. But if you visit Trikota Hills, Mata Vaishno Devi Darbar and Bhairav Ghati, then it becomes a Madahal. Even in Panchari area, it is called as Madahal. So when you visit these locations, you should be conversant with local names. If you visit Bilawar, Bani, Dudu Basantgarh, you will say Chew. If you visit Rajouri area, you will say Haddull. And if you visit Bhairav Ghati and Panchari area, you will say Madahal. But if you go to Himachal, you will say Burans. Even in Uttarakhand, it is Burans. If you go to Nepal, then it is the Lal Gurans. So this is the, now you can go and distribute it to others who can, because it's very useful for your health also. Sour in taste, it is developed into chutneys. Sauce नहीं होता. Market में जो sauce है वो ऐसे ही होता है. Even these were innovated by me as snacks. इसको बेसन में डाल के ना you can fry and it becomes burans के पकौड़े. So burans की चाय. We don't have that assistance or help here. If you boil it, you get intense wine red herbal tea. Like you told about hibiscus. So this is not hibiscus. What was the distinguishing feature? दोनों को कैसे पहचानना? ये वो नहीं है, hibiscus नहीं है. Hibiscus में 5 petals, फूल की पंखुड़ियां अलग अलग होती हैं. आप एक एक को प्लग कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3. They are not united. They are free. जैसे आप बेशक बगल बगल में खड़े हो, बट यू आर इंडिविजुअल है ना, सेपरेट. बट देयर आर कंजेनाइटल ट्विन्स भी होते हैं. कई लोग जिनकी यहाँ से सम बॉडी पार्ट इज टुगेदर है ना, दैट कॉल्ड फ्यूज्ड. सो इन दिस बुरांस यू हैव द फ्यूज्ड पेटल्स. सो इट इज ए बेल शेप्ड फ्लावर. कहीं हो सकता है ये बिकॉज दे हैव बीन प्लक्ड एंड you have to remove other parts. Only petals are edible. Or in scientific language, this is called a rhododendron. Rhodon is a Greek word which means a rose, gulab, and dendron means tree. So how the name has been coined for this particular tree or flower? From rose tree. So literal meaning of rhododendron is rose tree. बहुत से rhododendron, they are shrublets, छोटी झाड़ियां हैं. They are climbers also. Some are epiphytes also. जो दूसरे पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ते हैं वो भी हैं. We have 110 species. सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश में. जो ही हम इधर आते हैं सिक्किम की तरफ 35 हो जाती हैं, और जब हम जम्मू कश्मीर में पहुंचते हैं कम होती जाती हैं. एंड वी हैव ओनली 4 स्पीशीज. उत्तराखंड में 6 के करीब है. तो स्टेट फ्लावर जो है ये किसका है? दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर, स्टेट फ्लावर ऑफ नागालैंड. एंड दिस इज द ओनली rhododendron which grows very tall, and one of the tallest tree of rhododendron is entered in the Guinness Book of World Records because of its tallness. World over, no tree of rhododendron is of that height. So what is the tallest tree? Where it is located? In Nagaland. And Nagaland has also declared it as state flower, not tree. State flower. Uttarakhand has declared it as state tree. Previously it was also declared as state flower of Himachal Pradesh. But after the formation of Uttarakhand, they took it, they declared state tree, so they changed now. Himachal Pradesh has changed this another rhododendron, which is a poisonous one, which cannot be eaten, which is found in Jammu and Kashmir. Rhododendron campanulatum, Bella rhododendron, or white Safed borans. This is Lal borans. Safed borans is the state flower of Himachal Pradesh, and Lal borans is the state flower of Nagaland, but state tree of Uttarakhand, and this is the national flower of Nepal. Or this is edible, and this is also used as holy color.
स्टेट ट्री जिनके कौन से?
स्टेट ट्री हमारा तो चिनार है ना. Although that is not our native, तो how to differentiate? ये native है, ये exotic है. Whatever you see in real forest, so it is not 100% probability, because now many invasive, the plants which were brought from Mexico, America, Australia, they also has found their entry in deep into the forest. एक तो पंचफुली है, आपने देखा होगा नीचे भी, लंटाना कमारा. This is not our shrub, but it has entered even inside the forest. But mostly forest में जो naturally grow करते हैं वो हमारे पेड़ पौधे हैं, और जो पार्क्स में दिखते हैं, गार्डन्स में दिखते हैं, मैन मेड लोकेशन स्पेसेस में दिखते हैं, दे आर मोस्टली एक्सोटिक्स. तो जो हमारा चिनार है बहुत 600 साल से stands introduced, but this is native to Iran and Mediterranean area, not typically speaking, but historical this was the largest tree. Even Mughals patronized it in Kashmir, or even Akbar is mentioned that he also planted trees in Nasim Bagh, which is the present University of Kashmir campus. So because of its majestic look, especially during autumn time, chinar has red foliage. So even Indira Gandhi used to come visit Kashmir to see its beauty during, it is as if the tree is on fire. In fact, even Jahangir, when for the first time saw that autumn color, fiery red leaves of the chinar, and the word was, he put this word chinar. Chinar means what? A fire. When it is autumn, you see the red leaves of chinar. So that is the historical context. And how this word has been coined from Ma Bhavani. Bhavani is goddess. जहाँ काली का मंदिर है बावे में, बावे वाली माता काली देवी का मंदिर, और ऐसे ही बंगाल में भी उसको भवानी कहते हैं कश्मीरी पंडित्स. और भवानी के मंदिर भी इस टेम्पल के नीचे है, और भवानी से ही दे हैव कॉइंड द कश्मीरी वर्ड एज बूई और बूनी. बूनी और बूई इज द कश्मीरी नेम फॉर चिनार. थैंक यू. अक्षरों को अगर तोड़ सकता है तो एक डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ सिग्नेचर्स हुआ कि जैसी शक्ल या जैसा काम वैसे ही हमारे हेल्थ के बॉडी पार्ट के लिए यूजफुल होगा. तो इससे माना गया अगर ये पत्थरों को फोड़ सकता है तो क्या किडनी का स्टोन नहीं फोड़ सकता. तो डेफिनेटली इट वाज यूज्ड इन आयुर्वेदा फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ किडनी स्टोन्स. तो संस्कृत में क्या नाम है? पाषाण भेद. लेकिन डोगरी में, पहाड़ी में क्या तोड़ता है ये? पत्थर. पत्थर फोड़ भी कह देते हैं कुछ लोग। जख्म के ऊपर इसका पाउडर लगाते हैं, रूट का पाउडर करके, अगर चोट आ जाए उसके ऊपर, जैसे हल्दी भी लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन हल्दी से भी पहले, जब हल्दी भी नहीं थी हमारे मार्केट में, तो इसी का चूर्ण, इसलिए इसका एक और नाम है जख्म हयात, मतलब वो उर्दू का नाम है। तो डोगरी में कहते हैं, जैसे होता है ना